we're doing an early Christmas present for my boyfriend. Let's get into it, real family. What you get? What y'all think it is?
Good morning, royal family.
Jewelry.
It's your girl Queen, and it's Vlogmas Day mother freaking 4. Good, y'all. We are at Target. For pretty good enough reason, because I have something up my sleeve. And today,
you got your sleeve. I don't think you gonna get it at Target though.
The reason why I'm here today is because
unless it's a PS5 game.
I actually have something up my sleeve today. I'm gonna get a nice little gift for Clarence.
Get your man.
And I'm gonna surprise him early with an early Christmas gift. And I think, you know, I'm gonna put a little twist on it. You know, I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is just yet. Just know.
You're not gonna tell us?
That his reaction,
you're supposed to let us know.
Should be a pretty good reaction, okay?
Okay.
So,
like our reactions are good.
What could you be getting at Target for Clarence? Like,
right.
In
That's
Target,
what I was wondering.
You ain't going into like a bougie store. No, boo. I'm going into Target.
Okay.
So have a nice
little pair of t-shirts.
Stay with me, y'all. Over to Lee's house, y'all. Y'all know I love coming to Lee's house. Me and her actually made up. I'm not gonna show her camera because she just woke up.
I think it's a PS5
she don't want to be all on camera, but I'm gonna respect her wishes because I'm not mad at her no more. But if I was still mad at her, I would not respect her wishes. Yeah, but we definitely made up, y'all. I'm actually over here about to have some breakfast because I seen that she had some bacon. She don't like that bacon, so I'm gonna eat it. I'm about to make me an egg over here real quick and some toast. You know what I'm saying? That's what happens when you make up. You get to come over and have breakfast. But anyway, let me show y'all what I got, okay? I went to Target and I got, you know, a pair of...
I was close.
Well, whitey tighties. It's the whitey tighties for me. Y'all know we don't do regular stuff. So these whitey tighties right here, I'm going to take and print right here. Print my face
you
right
know
there.
What, Queen?
And maybe a picture of me and Clarence. And I'm going to give it to him for an early birthmas gift because his birthday is coming up. And
did he say he didn't want to?
An early gift.
I mean, like,
put it in a bougie box.
Combined gifts? Don't say birthmas.
Something else.
Unless you're going to get one his mama having them.
And hopefully he appreciates it.
That's basically what it is.
He loves me and it's a thought that counts. So,
it's a thought that counts,
his reaction
Queen.
later on. This is going to be a vlog slash prank. It's Vlogmas Day 4, so like I said, stay with me. So later.
Tell them why you putting your face on the whitey tighties.
Oh, they know why I'm putting my face right here because it's mine. And I want him to know it's the thought that counts, and he'll always have head. If my head is right here. Even when I'm not around.
Lee, why did you even ask for that, Lee?
We'll cook some breakfast. I just tried to like crack an egg on here so I can get me like one of those eggs, you know, them fried eggs, and it's frozen, y'all.
Wow.
This is gonna taste weird. This is like a silicone that goes in a breast.
You should have let the thing heat up first before you.
Yeah.
It is heated up.
No, if it was that hot, that grease is on it, it'd be bubbling.
Yeah, I'm sad. I don't want this egg.
Don't eat it then.
You don't have to clean this skillet before you get it. I think fried frozen egg.
No.
But I guess it's a little bit better though because it's staying in place.
Girl, it ain't done.
Let's see how the egg looks.
You might have some of them.
That's I just threw in trash, y'all.
Yes.
So I'm about to go.
We don't want you getting sick, girl.
That's disgusting. Maybe it's just the eggs at Lee's house. I don't know. Maybe
don't play her.
Maybe you have bad eggs. All right, y'all. I'm about to go show y'all this masterpiece. Let's go see what it's looking like. Let's see what it's looking like, y'all. Look at my head right there.
Why you doing?
I know he would love to wear them sexy drawers. I know he would love to wear them drawers. Should I do 3, y'all, or 1?
What? How many?
I don't know. Maybe I should do 3. That's a good number. This is the second picture, y'all, that I'm printing on there. He gonna love these drawers.
I don't.
Hey, he gonna love these. I'm so excited, man. This is the 3rd pick that I'm choosing. Look at that. He gonna love these. Hey, he gonna
we
love
all on the same pair?
Cake.
Or you gonna use the whole bag?
Okay. I am in the middle of cutting the cutout. You know, I just cut my head right here. Oh, look at that. My little cute head. Oh, look at that. And then I'm about to cut Clarence's head. Because I'm going to put our heads together.
On the drawers?
Fine. Damn. Ooh, baby, look. Me and Claire.
He want his own head on his straws.
Nope. He gonna love it, y'all. I just know he gonna love it, man.
Oh, sorry, y'all. I can see his face now. I want to see his face because I think he gonna have his face like ours. Like, what is he doing? I see his face now. I don't know. What if you just put it on a t-shirt or something, or like the t-shirt would have been better. Some shorts. You could have put it on some shorts, like regular shorts, like he wears.
Period. I know. So let's keep vlogging, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing next. We're gonna figure it out. So y'all, I'm coming to get my head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and your ears and your mouth and your nose. How was school, baby? How was school? Tell mama. Guess what? Mommy's surprising your daddy.
I hope you don't show the kids.
Yeah. He's gonna have some underwear with my face on it.
Oh, you know what she should have did?
What do you think about
put her face on a mask. Yeah, that would have been great.
Okay.
Just put your face on all the masks.
And then I'm gonna go get CJ and drop CJ off to the airport. Because CJ is going to see his dad this weekend. So, yeah. I've been pretty busy, y'all. I just got from the mall. I ain't want to record that because, you know, I had to get some birthday things. You know what I mean? All right, gotta go. He's about to leave mommy. No, you not. You're happy. It's okay. I want you to be happy. But guess what? When you come back, should I have the Christmas tree ready, or do you want to put the Christmas tree up with mommy?
I'm gonna just up for me. Wait for me when I come home.
Okay.
Come to your house.
So you guys, we're gonna wait for CJ to put the Christmas tree up because we can't do it without him. So we're gonna wait till Monday. Okay?
Okay, mommy.
All right, sit back and get in your seatbelt. Come on. I just got in the house, y'all. Babe was on the couch asleep. Look at him. He's so handsome. Look at him. He's just so handsome. I gotta wrap you your gift. I got a surprise.
She gonna wrap her gift.
Early,
you know, you can make. She can make pictures of her face on the wrapping paper. That also been very nice.
Very creative.
Put it on the sofa because you sleep there. Like something. Make wallpaper. Put it inside his glasses.
Right. Nose.
So you looking
touch his
at
nose.
Put it on top of the baby
Touch
head. I don't know. Oh, bless you. Oh.
Touch daddy nose.
It's so cold.
He said, okay. He said, enough of that.
Beep, beep.
Up. Now go down. Nose.
You're trying to talk so bad. What are you trying to say? You trying to fuck him head?
So Clarence is downstairs with Legend right now, and I'm about to just wrap these undies up, y'all. I got some hooks for the tree too, so that's all the stuff in the box. This should be real quick. Let's see. Let me show y'all how I wrap. All right, so I'm gonna roll out my wrapping paper. It's so dark in here.
I feel bad. He gonna think he really got something. He gonna be so excited. This actually might be a funny prank. I'm with you now.
It be longer so that it can go over the top.
She had to carry it all the way through. Oh my god. Wrapping pretty. Right. She probably got a fancy box or something. He gonna love it because she got it for him.
Yeah, because it's her.
Okay. There we go. There we go. I'm ready. I'm ready.
If y'all start rapping y'all gift shit.
Right. Comment below. Wait, you got, I think you need a little bit more room there.
Alright. Put it right here.
Okay, there you go.
Open it upside down.
Yep.
There we go.
You got
There
some
we
tape.
go. That's how you do that right there.
Yep.
How to
You
do
got
that
it, girl.
Yeah, how to do it.
That's how to do
Oh,
this.
this was easy, y'all. This was easy. Easy cheesy like a macaroni. Okay. Ooh, don't look that fat. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to take this right here. This is how you wrap gifts. Put it upside down. Alright, and you put the tape down up there, like that. Like so. I know it looks crazy right now, but
Nah, you got it. We see the process.
it ain't gonna look crazy later. So take that in, wrap it like that. See, it don't matter how the gift look at the bottom. It's about the top that matters. I'm
Right.
not gonna be looking at the bottom of the gift. So turn this around. Boom, look at that. Look at that.
Boom.
Now,
Boom.
press it down.
Uh-oh, she ripped it. Uh-oh.
Shoot.
Can you cover it up?
How
Or
do I do
tape
that?
it?
I'm gonna have to tape it.
Yeah, tape it.
I'm wasting another piece of paper. Alright.
Did she get tape on her face?
I don't see nothing.
Dang, like, for real? For real, Queen? That's how you do it? Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
The whole top of it is tore. But who cares? We're going to... Man.
Don't you hate when that happens?
I know, I did that
Terrible.
too.
Just show them the good side.
Right.
Oh. She's trying to do it too safe.
Yeah.
We're going to get it together.
Maybe get just one little
Let's fix it. We can fix
other
it.
piece and put it over there.
Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
Okay, girl.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah, that's a great thumbnail. Alright, let's go. Let's go surprise him. Hey.
Here we go, y'all. Comment below what y'all think his reaction gonna be when he sees it.
You, ear.
Alright, babe, I got a gift for you to open early. I know we ain't got the tree up.
What?
I know we ain't got the
Yeah,
tree up, but you know,
Claire.
I got a little creative today, and I think that you'll appreciate this gift.
Wait, what?
Oops.
Just because.
Don't laugh,
babe,
Queen.
don't laugh at how I wrapped
Uh-oh.
it.
Look at Match's
Why
outfit.
you giving me a gift though?
Because I feel like, okay, let me tell y'all why I'm giving him a gift right now. Because y'all gonna be like, Queen, you spoiled
That's
him
an
too.
early Christmas
You
gift.
spoiled him too much. Da 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 da.
My birthday's first.
Right, but his birthday is coming up, and this is just the warm up. This is just the warm up. What do you think this is?
I have no idea.
It's just a warm up because your birthday's coming up, and I want you to know that. Remember how you said for my birthday that we first celebrate together, you was like, what did you say? This is just the beginning.
There's more. Wait,
This is
there's
just the
more.
beginning, y'all.
Yeah.
You have the best girlfriend ever. I just
You
want
got
you
that
to know.
memory.
Because of this?
Just because of how I think about you. Like, I think about you like when I'm gone. I think about you when I'm away.
Is this a joke?
No, man. I wanted to put on camera because I wanted to see your beautiful smile. We can.
I don't like this.
What do you
He
mean?
said
like
he
it.
don't like it. Don't be so special. Don't be so special. Don't be so special. Don't
Why
be
do you
so
even
special.
laugh like
It's
that?
not
He
a
said, well, you gotta
evil
evil
laugh.
laugh. Laugh.
I went to the mall
Forgot
today.
Claire know you pretty well.
This is just
Child.
the first one. I
Now
can't
you
take
speaking.
it. I
Like,
can't take
forget
it.
Went to the
This
mall?
is-
What mall you went to?
What mall you went to?
He trying to figure out what it is.
Right.
Security?
Yeah, your girl got you some stuff. But this is the first one, so I want you to open it, okay?
Like right now?
I want you to open it for royal family. Turn this brightness
Is this
down.
in the vlog?
For us.
This is a part of the vlogmas. I was vlogging all day. Y'all didn't really get to see him all day.
Yeah, we took a camera.
I took the camera. I'm sorry. Let's get his reaction.
Why is it open? Yeah, why I feel like I'm getting punked right now.
You're not gonna.
It's just the way you laugh. I
Uh-oh.
don't really like
But I don't want you to look at this yet. Close your eyes.
it.
Who is he talking to? He's taking a legend.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, first, okay, before you open it, reach over there and grab a kiss. Not eat it.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
He don't want it.
Feed it to me first. Because I just feel like this deserves a kiss.
I mean, can you just hand me the chocolate?
When did we get a bowl of kisses?
Me, last night I bought them. Do anybody else like keep candy jars in their house? We should. It brings the vibe, the Christmas spirit.
Moment of truth, yo.
Look at his face. Why'd you roll him up?
Right there, look at you.
Stop. Stop. Not 3.
Look at his face.
Why is there 3 queens on it? Why is there I'm mad confused right now. I don't know where these.
Babe, you like my face?
No, I don't wear tiny white.
Can't breathe.
I'm crying.
Because because you got me dead right now.
Can't breathe.
Where did you get your so
Look at that. Who wouldn't wear these? Who would want QUEENNAIJA?
I'm not wearing these.
She said new merch.
I do not wear these.
You just try them off and
You just try him on for me. She's so silly. Look, you got Legend crying about his daddy.
I wear boxer
Oh.
briefs.
Okay.
Why you showing everybody?
Babe, I'll try to get you the boxer briefs, but they didn't have them in white.
Babe, my joint is gonna be out.
Please, come on. For
I'm not
me.
gonna-
You don't gotta do it on the camera, but just for me.
Oh,
I know I can't put those.
Babe, just for me, please.
Babe, the last time I had those on, I was like 4.
Babe, for me, I was creative.
Babe,
I was
I was being
creative.
creative today.
babe.
Her face
I
serious.
knew it was a
Her
joke.
face is
It's
serious.
not a joke. This is for real. Look at y'all. Who wouldn't want to wear these? Who wants these? Since he won't take them, who wants these?
They're dirty in the back.
Oh,
I
oh,
don't know how.
oh,
Like filthy in the back.
Is
ew,
it laid on a table
Cool.
or someone else getting printed?
Queen.
Babe, all right.
Don't
you
give
know,
no
this
dirty
is my
drawers.
business.
Babe, I don't wear these.
Okay. So all right. So if I get this on boxers, would you wear it?
I would be more open to it.
I will.
For sure.
Babe, can you please wear the way you
Why
take?
did you put my face on it?
I told y'all. I told y'all.
I was gonna put
I told y'all.
cute forever, but I ain't having enough time.
I didn't have enough time.
Just try to
You had plenty time,
People
Queen.
forget it. I'm about to wear these, bro.
Queen.
I'm about to
Queen.
Itchy, look at her.
Queen.
You can physically show them. Can you show
Yes, I
them?
do.
No, you can't.
Oh my
Queen,
gosh.
stop. Stop
These
this.
are cute. These are my ovaries.
Stop, Queen.
What is you doing?
Queen. No.
Heck yeah.
Why you leaving?
Pick me up.
Run, Claire.
Why is he running for real?
Baby, run.
Queen.
He said, help
Queen.
yourself. He said, when you put him on, that's too much
Pick
shit.
me up, babe, please.
Why?
You gonna wear these?
Leaving? Why you run? Queen.
Your socks.
Come here.
Show me your drunk ass socks.
Bro,
Your drunk ass son.
because I pull my pants off. Naija, look here. You see that?
Don't. Look. Queen.
Does you see
Queen.
that? Oh, that's mama.
Queen.
But this is just the beginning.
Queen.
Babe.
What?
This is just the beginning, baby.
Claire trying to bring.
Claire gonna take the elevator.
He trying to leave for
That's the
real.
beginning. This was you trying to prank me.
No, it wasn't. Give me a kiss. Just.
Because you know I don't wear those. No, stop
He
it.
mad about it. He more mad about the tiny whities.
Loki, I did tell them that, but I couldn't find the white ones. I thought you would just appreciate it because of the thought. It's the thought that counts. I'm gonna end this. Well, we're gonna end this vlog.
He mad.
Sorry,
Is he crying about Breeze?
babe, but your birthday is coming up.
He said, don't you ever give me
You know he's so serious about his clothes.
You excited? Y'all see right over in the corner where that table is? We're putting the tree back over there this year. Should we put the tree there this year or here? Y'all let us know. Because I can move that yellow chair from the garage.
I think where the yellow
Say bye
chair
to them,
is.
babe. Maybe tomorrow you take over the next vlog. Since I took over this one.
He don't even
You
have.
good? I'm with it. Y'all ready to come with me?
You gonna mess with me, these whitey tighties? Alright, y'all. Peace out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Dodo Squad.